All right, hey everyone, and welcome to week 14, I think, of gld2o online asynchronous course. We are pretty much at the end. This is the final assignment of this course, assignment A10, and you will be creating a Google site, which is a place to put your like a culmination of all the activities you've done in this course in this one place for other people to view, like, for example, your personal interest or your resume. A couple of things before you begin. There's really two places you can put this. If you are logged in with a school account, you can totally do that. Just keep in mind, though, if you are in a website that uses your personal account, that information can be accessed outside, which could be a good thing. For example, if you want your future employer to see this site, or you want your friends to see this site who aren't part of the school board, you're going to want to create this in your personal account. If you don't care about that so much and you just want, like myself and just the school, like friends to see this, your employer won't be able to see a site created with your Google Apps account. So it just depends on which browser you're using. I'm going to choose to use the school browser, but just keep that in mind of afterwards. Do you want this available to, let's say, a future employer? Then use your personal Gmail site, okay, or personal Gmail account. Let me switch to screen view. Okay, so I'm going to use the school account. You can tell it's a school account because right here, that's me, Stuart, I'm logged in as with my GAPS account. I'm going to go to sites. You can Google search this, but sites.google.com. I'll have this link in the assignment as well. You get to a page where you want to click blank site, so the first one, and this is going to get saved to your Google Drive, so you'll see that there later. But it's pretty straightforward. Google makes their products pretty easy to use. So here I would just change this to something like my gld2o portfolio, or whatever it is that you think makes sense. You can change it to something that makes sense for this assignment. It's assignment A10. Here I'll just go my portfolio. Right, and it's supposed to capture all the work that you've done in this course. So the next thing you want to do is add some content. So you can choose one of these things here under the Insert tab. Let's choose this first one. That just basically adds a section to this page. I'm going to click this plus button to add a picture. I'll select an image. Hopefully I have an image here to choose from. Here, this one. I'll click that one. This is actually from a team art challenge that I had for my computer science class. I'll just call this Pink House. You call it again, whatever you like, whatever picture you want. This is the from CS group art assignment. Whatever, it makes sense. Okay, so when someone's looking at this page, they'll know what that means. You can add more things. You can add maybe something else like this. Every time you add something, it's just added to this page vertically like this. And of course, you can grab this drag handle and move things around, okay, to make it look the way you want. You can also delete these things. So I'll delete that, delete this one. Okay, we'll start with this. At this point, you want to publish your page, and all that means is you want to make this page available for your friends or your teacher to see. So you click publish right there. You give it a name. I'm just leave it as the default my gld2o portfolio, and name it something that is good for you. Anyone at York Region Board could see it. Hit publish, and there you go. Okay, so we want to go to that site. So click this drop down, view the published site, and that'll take us to sites.google.com, your gaps.yrdSB.ca, or if you use your personal account, it'll be something different. But this is the home page, and that's exactly what we just created. If you go back to the editor, you can do more things now. And the whole point of this lesson is to show you that you want to publish something quickly and you want to update the changes to it. So I'm going to go to pages. I'm going to create a second page. I've got a home page right now. Let's add a second page. Let's call it, let's say, my resume. Done. And we have a page for my resume. And maybe my resume, I don't want this to be such a big banner. So I'll click header type. I'll change it to title only. Okay, you can just play around with this to see what works for you, or just get rid of it completely. You can trash this if you don't want this at all. I'm going to go back to insert and try adding something else, maybe just more, maybe text here. This is my, whatever whatever your resume looks like, 2026, completed, okay, grade 10, whatever, okay, whatever you have in your resume. You just basically copy and paste what you have in Pika and just drop it in here. Now, the whole point, again, is for you to see that after you've made some changes, whenever you want to republish that, you can go back up to this button, drop down, review changes and publish. So I'll click here. And it's showing you on the left side that these are the changes that you just made, and it's not published. So you want to click publish, and you give it a few moments because it's got to upload to the cloud. And you can go back to that page. You can actually do it from here, view publish site, or go back to that other tab that we still have open, refresh this. Hopefully this is, oh, maybe it's not completely done yet. So I'll go back here, view the new website, basically the same page, but now it's loaded properly. You can now choose between home with that nice pink house, choose or go to the resume, okay? And then that way you'll have a site that you can try observing and watching this, or sorry, looking at the site from different places like your phone. Drop this URL onto your phone, you should see the same thing. Okay, and that's pretty much the whole idea. And you just definitely want to play with this, add some different things. There's buttons you can try, adding different links. Okay, give that a go and have some fun with this, creating different site pages to display your work from this course. Especially your CV and resume should be on here, and also your personal interest project should be on here as well. Okay, I think I'm done with that. Everyone check the assignment itself I'm actually go back. Check the assignment itself on Pika to figure out the exact details of this project. Hopefully that is going to be fun for you to try out. I'm really excited to see what you build in terms of the website. If you need more help, obviously you have ChatGPT, or you can send me a message in the today. Everyone, this might be my last video, so I just want to say how I appreciated all the work that you've done in this course, and I really wish you a pleasant last few weeks of this course and an incredible summer if I don't talk to you before then, and I will see you maybe sometime in the future, maybe a future course. Everyone take care, and looking forward to these projects. Okay.